Want to hack like a pro? Discover how Google Dorks can help you spot XSS vulnerabilities. So, what exactly is XSS? Cross-site scripting, or XSS, is when attackers inject malicious scripts into web pages. Imagine a sneaky script lurking in a search bar, ready to snatch data or hijack user sessions. Enter Google Dorks, a powerful search technique using advanced search operators to unearth hidden treasures on websites. Ethical hackers use this to spot security flaws, like XSS vulnerabilities. Let's talk key operators. First up, in-URL. This finds keywords in URLs. Then there's entitletage, which digs into page titles. Finally, site restricts searches to a specific domain. For example, in-URL-search.php keywords can help find pages with potentially unsafe search boxes. Step by step, here's how you do it. First, identify common entry points. Look for input areas like search bars or comment sections. These are prime real estate for XSS attacks. Next, construct your dorks. Try queries like in-URL-index.id or siteexample.com. In-URL comment to zero in on vulnerable pages. Now, the fun part, testing for XSS. With permission, of course. Inject a harmless payload like into the input field. If you see an alert pop up, bingo, you found a vulnerability. Remember, only test on sites where you have authorization. Unauthorized testing isn't just unethical. It can land you in serious legal trouble. Final thoughts? Google Dorks are a treasure trove for cybersecurity pros. Used responsibly, they can help you find and fix XSS risks, keeping the internet a safer place for everyone. Go forth and dork responsibly.